in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to improve battery life on your Lenovo tablet or laptop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. Select system on the left panel, and then on the right side, scroll down and select the power option. Versus power mode, optimize your device based on power use and performance. Click on that drop down, and for both plugged in and on battery, click the drop down immediately next to it and select best power efficiency. And you can also scroll down as well and select under energy saver and toggle that to the on position as well. Two different settings to look at, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.